Look at similar shapes in scale drawings. How can we use scale drawings to solve problems? So scale drawings, scale models are used in map making, construction, and other trades. So let's look at these problems. So blueprint is a technical drawing that usually displays architectural plans. Pete's blueprint shows the layout of a house. Every 4 inches in the blueprint represents 3 feet of the actual house. So 4 inches represents 3 feet. One of the walls in the blueprint is 24 inches long. What is the actual length of the wall? So this is 24 inches in the blueprint. What's the actual length in real life? So it says complete the table to find the actual length. So 4 inches is 3 feet. So if instead of 4 inches we have 8 inches, we double the 4, we get 8, so we have to double the 3 to get 6. Now how would we get from 4 to 12? That'd be 4 times 3 is 12, so 3 times 3, this would be 9. How would we get from 4 to 16? You'd multiply by 4. So then down here you have to multiply by 4. So 16 inches would represent 12 feet. Let's keep going. 4 to 20. What's that ratio? You'd multiply by 5. So then down here you'd have to multiply by 5. So 20 inches is 15 feet. And the last one is 24. How do we get from 4 to 24? You'd multiply by 6. So then we do the same thing down here. 3 times 6 is 18. So what's the actual length of the wall? If it's 28 inches in the blueprint, it's going to be 18 feet. In Pete's blueprint, the length of a side wall is 16 inches. Find the actual length of the wall. So for number 1, the length is 16 inches. So that's right here. What's the actual length? Well, 16 inches represents 12 feet. Here's where it gets a little different. The back wall of the house is 33 feet long. What's the length of the back wall in the blueprint? What we could do is actually just add another row here. I'm sorry, add another column. And this is where it's important. It's telling us it's 33 feet. Well, inches go on top, feet go on the bottom. And since it's 33 feet, 33 will go here. How do we get from 3 to 33? And let's rewrite this. Our scale is inches over feet. And the numbers, 4 inches for every 3 feet. We can set up as a proportion. 4 inches for every 3 feet. We need to know how many inches are 33 feet. Multiple ways we could do this. We could cross multiply and then divide. So let's do that. You would do 4 times 33. So let's go to the side here. 33 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. So when we cross multiply, we get 132 equals 3 times x is 3x. Now it's an equation. Solve that, divide by 3. So again, we could go to the side. We would get 132 divided by 3. 3 goes into 13 4 times. 3 times 4 is 12. When we subtract, we get 1, bring down the 2. 3 goes into 12 44 times. So the end of this equation would be x equals 44. We could also look up here. How do we get from 3 to 33? 3 times what gives us 33? That would be times 11. And so we do that to the top. 4 times 11 is 44.